Kia gives us a closer look at the EV9, its first electric SUV. Ooh, look at these wheels. These are quite your style, Will. These are quite your style, are they not?
They're something.
Yeah.
I like the look of the front as well.
It's all very aero, but while still being boxy enough to immediately appear like an SUV. And you know, the advantage with the boxy SUV is not just about the rugged looks. It's also about carrying capacity when it comes to cargo. Curves and things make it hard for boxes and things to go into your cargo carrier, which in this case is an SUV. You are the owner of a boxy SUV. You put all kinds of things in it, do you not, Will?
And it's really satisfying that a box just fits right in because it's just like right angles.
Square goes into
sense.
square.
Yeah.
It's a lovely occurrence when it takes place. And so this SUV is one of the first that looks like an SUV. Obviously, the Rivian sort of does as well. However, we have some others that are certainly more I like the look of this thing. I don't mind it one
nice
bit.
profile.
Yeah, I'll take the profile. It doesn't look like it's going to be a crazy fast SUV, 0 to 105 seconds. It should be fine for most people vehicle like this. Interior, you see, you got the steering yoke as well. Spaceship-like materials going on. The wide display, and my goodness, hasn't Kia and Hyundai, haven't they taken this electric thing very seriously?
Yeah.
They are rolling out models left, right, and center. It's like you with your sketchbook, Will, just going after it, going at it. You've got 17 new models over here, and they're going to have lots of range as well in there. I think it said like 500 kilometers. Is that right? 540 kilometer range, which is 336 miles on a full charge. The flagship EV9 SUV expected to play an integral role as the automaker strives for 1.2 million EV sales by 2030. That color is very reminiscent of Rivian as well. I wonder if there is a little bit of inspiration. Now, looking just at the shape, never mind the Kia versus Rivian, this and that.
It looks like there's a lot of space.
Do you take this or the Rivian SUV? Just never mind the brands and never mind the
features and all that
smarts.
stuff.
Just design. Just you as an artist, the creative part of you, which is more appealing
lines,
to you? Which is more appealing?
I actually prefer this one. I like the boxy shape of SUVs.
But the Rivian, can you just quickly pull up a comparison of the Rivian SUV? Because it's not far from it. I mean, you're going to see it in a similar blue color maybe, or they got it in green. Go ahead. Now you can answer. Now that you've quickly referenced both. Just looking at the shape of the thing.
I do like the green, though.
Just looking at the design here. This one's pretty boxy still. It's not quite Bronco, but it's almost there, is it not?
You know what? I think I might take the Rivian.
He's taking the Rivian, ladies
pretty
and
close.
gentlemen. Yeah, they're cool.
This paints a picture really well.
I don't want the boxy SUV to go away. It's just too awesome to put things in. I hope they can figure out batteries and range and everything else to go with it. But the EV9, it looks promising. Shout out Kia for quickly pumping out electric vehicles.